So your best friend got a girlfriend, and suddenly he's busier, picking up new hobbies, and basically bringing a whole new person into the mix. It can be tough, but here's how to handle these changes. First, try to swallow your ego and show some genuine support. You don't have to be her best friend, but if she makes him happy, keep any negative opinions to yourself so you don't end up on his bad side. Next, focus on keeping your own friendship strong. It's all about quality time now, not equal time. Because in reality, you aren't going to win a scheduling war with a new girlfriend. Be open to group dates or even try hanging out one-on-one with her to help ease your worries. Finally, overcome any jealousy. You aren't competing for attention since you serve a completely different role in his life. Changes in friendships are just a natural part of growing up, and since a new relationship takes up a lot of hours, it's normal to see less of him. Stay secure, be cool, and remember, you were there first.